So there's an actual YouTube subscription that you would like to cancel. The process actually is not that hard, so let's get started and do the process really fast. So trying to do this process in a very easy way, the belt directly be away, is that the first method, which is if you sign it up directly into a computer or through a mobile web browser, you want to go directly into youtube.com. Then here you want to focus into the upper right corner of your website. From the drop-down menu, you want to click into the element that says Purchases and Memberships. Inside here, you can see that we have offers, and usually you should have here your purchases and the elements of the YouTube. If you don't find it, what you can do is to try them out directly into an actual URL, manual URL that sometimes it doesn't appear. So for this, I wanted to open a new tab. Into this upper URL, just type youtube.com, but this time we're going to focus for the / paid under memberships once again, and there we go. This will be leading you directly inside the place where we're locally at. So you locate your active YouTube Premium title and click into manage the membership. Beside your next scheduled daily date, you'll see a button that says deactivate it. You click on it and you're actually good to go. If you don't find that element, what you can do is that, for example, let's say we're going to go for unsubscribe YouTube Premium into Google, and sometimes it will be leading you into the Google Help support, and the process actually is exactly the same as I just told you. It will be showing you something like this. Now if you wanted to try this out, for example, inside your Android computer or iPhone and iPad, here are the let's say the official ways of how you can actually do this. The second method, for example, sometimes it's built into Apple Pay or the iOS application. If you originally clicked into subscribe inside of it, for example, like an iPhone, your billing is most probably handled into Apple. So the button will not exist into the YouTube website. So what you needed to do is to focus once again here into Apple subscriptions. I'm going to play, for example, this specific video, and it will be showing you exactly the same process as we checked them out. As you can see, it should be appearing directly inside here, but if you do this directly with the Apple subscriptions, you must sign in into Apple, so you can manage your subscriptions and billing inside the Apple support. And inside that, you needed to cancel the actual subscription of the YouTube in order to continue. And the third method, it's with Google or Android, it's exactly the same. But instead of going with the apple.com, we needed to focus into Android. So you needed to open the Google Play Store. Go here directly inside your Play Store, look out for your account, look out for the payments and subscriptions, and inside here it should be appearing in Google. Inside here of the subscriptions, you needed to click inside the subscription that you chose, in this case YouTube, and click into cancel. And with this being said, you are good to go. So if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this works for you, and well, hopefully we can all see you next time.